Sunod ka na lang sa amin. Ikaw lang sunod.
We are now on bout number 45. Bout number 46, please prepare. Tumugoy of Korean martial arts, blue versus Latada of Philippines, red. Bout number 47, Reckon of Philippines, blue versus Alba of green marble, red. Blue versus Rabaha of Red Knight, red. Bout number 49, Season Joshua of Red Knight, blue versus IR Donato of Blue Warrior, red on red armor. Please prepare.
Wala na si Master na.
Nakayelo ka.
Oy!
Pagpasok ko dito. Kasi may identify ko.
Hindi, tingnan mo yung punch niya, tapos basketballs yung kanya, pasok na yun. Wala mag-clear.
Thank you.